This is the cable clamp. You can get the power for the Vigilant monitor off of this pigtail. Then with the wires out of this end, you can get your cable resistance. I'll show you how to install it. I usually take the clamp, put it on the wire, and then tighten it down to make some marks. There's points on here on where to cut the insulation. So I tighten this down until the set screws stop, and that'll leave a little mark on the cable so I know where to cut with the provided insulation cutting tool, which looks like this. It's basically like a drill bit on a handle. It'll cut through the insulation enough so that you can tighten down the cable clamp without puncturing through the cable that's in here. Once you can see a little bit of copper, you're through the insulation enough that you'll be able to make connection with your cable clamp. You want to keep this pigtail away from the battery terminal so that you can run that wire up to your monitor. Once you get the clamp connected to the wire, check to make sure that both of the screws are into the cable. So I'll just check voltage, 223 and 223. So both of my set screws are into this cable, and I have voltage from the cable to this post. This cable has to be routed to the first sensor, so you want to make sure that we'll have enough space between where this is at to the first sensor. Should be good then. All right.